Hi guys, welcome to day 2 of Merry Mas. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. And also, this is a collaboration video with another amazing YouTuber, Priyanka Ghosh. Priyanka Di is my very dear friend, and so we challenged each other to copy a look from Pinterest. And here, the look you can see right here. I'll just show you the picture. That's it. And here I'm kickstarting the video with filling my eyebrows. So I just used my favorite precisely my brow pencil from Benefit, and also I'll link Priyanka this video in the description box or anywhere on the screen. Please make sure you check that out. I'm sure she has done an amazing job. So yeah, and make sure you tell us that who actually won the challenge, because without you guys, who is gonna decide, you know? And actually this was a very fun challenge, and here I am just priming my eyelids with a concealer. So coming back to the challenge, I won't do a dark makeup look. I have never done it, and just because this was a challenge I got to do it, and this was so amazing. This is just so not me, but I loved creating it. So after setting my eyelids, I'm just moving on to a crease shade, and I use the sophx palette. And here I am not sure about the shades I'm using. I'll just show it to you guys on the screen. So yeah, that is the shade. I think it is called cookie dough. It's a like cool tone shade. Then I'm taking this brown color, which is called brownie, and I'm just deepening my crease. And yeah, that's how I'm doing it. And also, we have planned it for so long. It's very difficult to film a video, and especially a collab video, when you don't stay in the same city. So we just came out with this idea where we could challenge each other to do either our video, like we should take one video from each of our channel and then copy it, and or else a Pinterest challenge. So you guys actually chose Pinterest, which I'm so happy about. And then I took these mauve kind of shades and just applying it under the crease shade to make it a bit more mauve. It was really difficult actually. I'm so glad that I have this palette, or else I don't know what would I have done. So yeah, I'm just building up the mauve shade in here. I just loved creating this look. And also, I was doing Merimus, and this happened to fall in the same category of like really bold makeup or colorful makeup. So I'm really glad that this happened at this time. It is a very special collab, and I'm so happy that it happened. Then I took a sparkly golden shade from the palette and just applied it on my lid. Then taking the same Miss Claire glitter that you guys saw in my previous video, like my first Merimus video. If you haven't seen it, please go and check that out. And yeah, I'm just applying that glitter. And also, please go and follow the person who happens to be my friend who actually came up with the name Merimus for this series. And as I promised, I have mentioned her Instagram link in my description box below. Please go and check that out. So after I have deepened my crease enough with the same brown shade, I'm just going in with this Kiko Milano single eyeshadow. This is in the shade 02, and it's called Pearly Champagne. And I just highlighted my inner corner quite heavily than usual. And yeah, that's it. That's the inner corner highlighter. Then I moved in with my lashes because they look similar. And these lashes are from Amazon. So I first curled my lashes, applied some mascara, and then I applied the lashes off camera. Then I went in with this Nykaa kajal and applied it to my waterline and also tight lined with it. Then covering the lash band with some eyeliner, because the picture, like, I don't know whose picture it is, of course, but yeah, the girl had eyeliner on. Then taking these two mauve shades again, I'm just building up the shade, and also applying the same shade on my lower lash line. This trick I learned from Kaushal Beauty, where she applies more eyeshadow after applying her lash. Oh god, I just totally forgot that. Yeah, so I took the golden glitter from the Smashbox bold glitter palette and just intensified the glitter because I thought I needed more. And here I'm taking the mauve glitter from the palette, and yeah, you can see this is just so that the glitter catches the light and it looks more pretty. So the pink shade is going on the inner corner again for the same reason. And here I am just cleaning up my liner, and that was not mauve, that was a plum shade. So here I just lined my lip, and then for the lipstick I used this Dose of Color lipstick, and this is in the shade Cold Shoulder. For the metallic thing I used the metallic eyeshadow because I did not have any metallic lipstick, but this did the job. So yeah, that's it for the makeup challenge. Please let me know in the comment section below that you guys liked it or not, or I passed the challenge or not. That is more important. Also, please go and check out Priyanka Di's channel. That's it for today. Till then, take care. Bye bye. And do not forget to come back tomorrow, same time, for the Merry Day 3.